Hey, I'm going to be explaining to you number 11 from the EOG packet, and it's in the calculator inactive section. So I'm going to read number 11 to you first. It says a library has 12,500 fiction books and 19,000 nonfiction books. And then you have three bullets. It says currently 2/5 of the fiction books are checked out, 2/5 of the nonfiction books are checked out, and of all of the books checked out, 1/10 of them are due. And it says how many books are due this week. So it looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of multiplication with some big numbers of a fraction times this large amount of books. So I know I'm going to be working out 2/5 of the 12,500, which is, the same as multiplying, and I can make that become a fraction. 2/5 times 12,500 over 1. I'm also going to have to be multiplying out 2/5 times 19,000. Over here I can make that become over 1. So I'm not going to panic with this. I know the rule says multiplying fractions go straight across, so I can multiply 2 times 12,500. So I'm just going to work that out. 12,500 times 2. So when I work that out, it looks like I get 25,000. Multiplying straight across, 5 times 1 gives me 5. And then I need to, of course, reduce this, top divided by bottom. So 25,000 divided by 5 is 5,000. So I know that 5,000 fiction books have been checked out. Okay, and I'm patiently going to work out my other multiplication problem where I've got 2/5 times 19,000 over 1. So I'm still going straight across. I have 19,000 times 2. So I have 38,000. Go straight across, 5 times 1 is 5. So I know I've got to divide this out. 38,000 divided by 5. 5 goes into 38. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract, bring down my 0. 5 goes into 36 times. And I know that's going to give me zeros the rest of the way out there. So I've got 7,600 books that are nonfiction. And the more that you write this stuff out and label it, the better off you are. I figured out that 2/5 fiction would be, that's 5,000 books. 2/5 of the nonfiction, that was 7,600. And it says 1/10 of all of them are due. So all of these that are checked out, I'm going to add those together, boom. And that would be 5,000 plus 7,600. And that gives me 12,600 books total, and 1/10 of those are due. So 1/10 of this number is the same as that number divided by 10, or essentially moving the decimal over one spot. The way that you would do that is to take that number, divide by 10. 10 goes into 12. Watch that math. Isn't that crazy how that happens? My answer would be 1,260, but I wouldn't want to put my comma in. I hope that helps.